Avantium is one of the industrial partners in the project, and in this role we support the technology development by reflecting on the industrial relevance of the developed technologies. So we really support in the translation of fundamental research towards practical application. And Avantium is specifically interested in the production of glycolic acid from CO2 and of the production of carbon monoxide from CO2. In the market analysis report, we analyze what the competitive advantages of Suncochem technologies are over conventional competitive technologies. The report is divided in two stages, and in the first stage, which was in the beginning of the project, we look at what the potential advantages of Suncochem technology elements are. For instance, we compare photoelectrocatalysis with electrocatalysis and see what the potential advantages of photoelectrocatalysis are. In the second stage of the market analysis report, we look at what is realized in the project and which of these competitive advantages have been realized. So for instance, in the first stage, we set a certain target for reactivity or reaction rate of the reactor. And in the second stage, we look at if this target has been achieved and what the implications on potential exploitation is. Suncochem technology holds the potential to reduce fossil feedstock for the production of chemicals. And instead of fossil feedstock, we want to use CO2 as a feedstock to produce chemicals. Specifically, Suncochem technology has the direct capture of CO2 from flue gases and the direct conversion of CO2 to synthesis gas. And then in the third stage, the synthesis gas is converted to high-value chemicals. So if we directly capture and convert CO2, this has the potential to reduce the overall energy consumption of a process. And in the third stage, we combine these first two steps in one reactor, so that allows centralized units to directly convert CO2 to high-value chemicals. In technology development, it's very important to look at potential impact of the technology. This depends, for instance, on the techno-economic assessment, so how expensive are the chemicals produced with this technology. It depends on the life cycle assessment, how sustainable is the technology compared to conventional technologies, but also at social acceptance. So how easy is it to roll out this technology and to go for full market adoption. If you do this in parallel with your technology development, you can really have an iterative process where the techno-economic assessment and life cycle assessment, for instance, give input to your research. So it really gives you a certain focus in research and can tell you what is the most impactful element to develop in your technology.